So, I just realized I accidentally joined in micro trends without realizing it. The only difference is I don't like give up anything. Let me show you. So weird micro trend I saw for a little bit ago was collecting old things. This is my great grandmother's typewriter. Let me show you what it looks like. It's from 1957. So like I said, my great grandma's 1957 typewriter, and it has seen better days. So let's go ahead and pop this. Oop, I need two hands. All right, let's pop this bad boy open. Isn't she pretty? Isn't she pretty? She's a little bit on the dirty side. I don't know where the stains came from, but like, oh my God, there's dozer hair in there. Of course there's dozer hair, but like, look, she's got a, ooh, man. Whew. I need to clean this old girl. I need to clean her badly. But yeah, my great grandma's 1957 typewriter. And don't worry, I've got two suitcases, I think from like the 60s. Don't ask me why, I just do. So I'm gonna need to stand up to show you this, but this is my grandma's dress that she got when she was younger than me. It is really hard to see, but like, it's my grandma's dress. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, open back. I love it, but oh my God, does it make me itch. I also accidentally got a Labubu without realizing I got a Labubu. Oh no, where's my Labubu? So I have heartbreaking news. I had a Labubu on my bag. It was a stitched one. I didn't even know it was a Labubu at the time. I just thought it was cute. And now it's gone. Sad days. I also got rocks. Rocks. Lots of rocks. More rocks with some of my books. And what was I making this video about again? Y'all, I can't remember. It's early. I've been up since like 1:32 in the morning. I'm so tired, and it's not even 8. I also got things that like I cherish. To be careful when I pick this up. But like his leash, I got it when I adopted him. Have not gotten a new one since. It's actively falling apart. I would show you, but he would get really excited, so I'm not going to. Yeah. And like I said, suitcases like this suitcase is like from the 1960s. I've got another one over there, just buried under shit. I don't know why I'm like this. Also, cute story about the suitcases. Both of them were originally owned by a man and his wife, and it's such a cute story. I'll have to tell you about it.